Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you a story of a prophet who was 90 years old when he got a son, Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam. He was one of the descendants of Hazrat Suleiman. He worked as a carpenter. His wife's name was Al-Yashbi, who belonged to the family of Hazrat Harun. Quran doesn't tell anything about his childhood and youth. His story starts when he was 90 years old. Till the age of 90, he had no child. It was during that time that the wife of Imran, who was the sister-in-law of Hazrat Zakaria, gave birth to a baby girl named Maryam. When Imran passed away, Hazrat Zakaria became the guardian of Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam. Hazrat Maryam grew up as a faithful follower of Allah. Her room was an enclosure with the Baitul Maqdis specially built for her. There was something magical about this little girl. Every time when Hazrat Zakaria visited to check her, he always found her surrounded by abundance of fruits. From where these fruits are coming? It is from Allah, replied the little girl. Indeed, Allah has provided her everything without any account. After observing this miracle repeatedly, the Prophet's faith raised in Allah. He knew Allah has the power of anything, no matter what the conditions are. The Prophet always wanted to have a child, to continue his legacy of prophethood. But he was now 90 years old, and so was his wife as well. He started praying without utmost conviction. "O Lord, please give me from yourself a son who shall inherit me, and make him one whom you are pleased." Very soon Allah responded to his prophet. One day, when the prophet was praying, an angel appeared and said, "O Zakaria, we are here to share the good news of your son. His name shall be Yahya. Allah himself has named, and this name has never existed in history." When Prophet heard this news, he got confused. "My Lord, how can I have a son when my wife is a barren and I am an old man?" said the Prophet. It was actually an exclamation of joy. Such is Allah, He does what He wills. "Can you show me a sign?" he asked the angel. And the angel replied, "Your sign is that you shall not speak to anyone for 3 nights. You will talk to them only with gestures." When the Prophet came out of the room, he realized he couldn't talk to others. He had to talk with people only using gestures. After a few months, like Allah has promised to him, his wife gave birth to a boy. They named him Yahya, as Allah has selected. So, being a Muslim, we have a faith and belief that Allah does what He wills, no matter the conditions are.